Hey, it's Todd Alt. These are Wall Street Words. Welcome back. Today's word, poison pill. Poison pill, you say? Yes, poison pill. This is invented by a very famous firm in the 80s and held up by the Delaware Chancellor Court. And it's important to understand what this is. If you're a public corporation and you want to prevent a shareholder from taking over your company, your board of directors can issue a poison pill. That poison pill gives the current shareholders rights to buy more stock, but excludes that person trying to buy stock to take control. This unfortunately can make it more expensive for the company trying to take over that other company that issued the poison pill. These are very, very potent defenses. Poison pills can be issued all the time and have become a regular part of companies trying to prevent takeovers. Now, guys like Carl Icahn and Ron Perlman hate poison pills. They think it hurts the shareholders, but it is the law and you can't issue them. Poison pills can also be redacted and taken away if the board of directors agrees with the company acquiring it. Poison pills are a very effective way of putting up a defense, an anti-takeover defense. Today's word is poison pill. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.